Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shakir Zufairi Binuddin. I'm from DEP 3B. Today I want compare the analog multimeter with the digital multimeter. As you can see, it have a same shape, rectangle. This also rectangle, and the difference is you can see the analog multimeter has a needle, and the digital multimeter has not a needle. And the color of the analog multimeter is the orange, and this multimeter is maybe orange or yellow. So the cost of analog multimeter is 30 ringgit. Over 30 ringgit you can get in the electronic shops. This multimeter also you can get maybe 24 or 25 ringgit. So it has a same function. The function is to measure the ohms, so the voltage and ampere. This digital analog, this digital multimeter also can measure the same volt, ampere and ohms. So the special things about this analog multimeter is it has a leg, back leg, so you can put it like this, and this you cannot put like the analog multimeter. It don't has a back leg. So the brand of analog multimeter is Sunway. The model is YX 960 TR. This digital analog multimeter also the brand is Unity, and the model is DT830D. So the size of this multimeter is smaller than the analog multimeter. The tall maybe 4 inch or 3 inch, 3 inch maybe, and the width is 3 inch, 2 inch, sorry. And this analog multimeter, the tall is 6 inch, and the width is maybe 4 inch. This analog multimeter also have a different, like when you set the ohms, you treat the cable, and the needle is moved to the right. And the special about this digital analog multimeter is when you open, and you treat the cable, and you will hear the sound. Okay, that's all. Thank you.